It's just saying that this is not defined because according to my system has already logged out, and this is trying to retrieve the ID of the currently logged in user. Alright, so the right thing to do is to actually try and log in again. If we go to the home page, remember, if you don't get this error, it means you are logged in. Click on login, and once we're logged in, we get back to ref category. Alright, login has happened and we're back to ref categories. Alright, so it works now. Now, so far, if you've noticed something, you see that somebody can just keep increasing visits anyhow by just refreshing. And of course, we've not even handled signups. So that's obviously because we just allowed it to happen. So we need to mark this system so that if somebody uses this link URL once on their system, they're not going to be able to use it again. Alright, for let's say a month, or let's say a year. Alright, so the way we're going to do that is to come to our ref categories. Remember the refs method in your ref category. Then somehow after we have recorded the visits, we can then use cookie to track the visit. If this person has used, if this computer has used this link before, we don't want the person to gain anything for referring anybody. You understand? We only want to increase the referral count or sign up count after, if the person is using, if this system is using this URL the first time. Alright, so we're going to use cookies. To do that, we have to go to Laravel's website and get cookies. So cookies are attached to responses in Laravel. Not exactly the way you use it in normal PHP. It's attached to responses. This is the sample I copied from Laravel website. So your response is usually whether it will redirect. I think here it should redirect to route, and that route is login. So when someone visits any of the refs link, it should take them to login page for them to log in or sign up. I think sign up should make sense. Sign up. We'll have to figure out what that is. To figure out which URL was used for sign up, we have to go to resources. We have to go to routes, web.php. I think it's sign up. Okay, let's find out. We can find out by just doing this. This sign up or register. Okay, this doesn't work, so we can do register. Alright, register works. So we get back to this place and say register. So after we've recorded everything about the referrals, then we can redirect the person to the register page, and then since we're redirecting the person, we can now have attach our cookies. Oops. I'm trying to put them on the same line so it makes sense to you. Alright, so we have them right now on the same line. So this is a cookie. So the way we just attach cookies, the way we attach cookies in Laravel is the same way you do attach with. So this is a cookie now. We can attach multiple cookies. You see? So what I'm trying to do, what we're going to save is we can save the referral user ID. Referral user ID is going to be the user ID of the referral. That's what we got here. Referral user ID. This number here stands for how many minutes. It stands for time in minutes. Alright, this number So this is 3 minutes. That's how long this cookie will last. All right. So, but we want it to last 60 minutes. That's 1 hour times 24, which is 1 day, times 30, which is 1 month now, and then we're gonna times it by 12, which is 1 year. So we want it to last for 1 year. Once this cookie is created, it's going to stay for 1 year. So anybody that uses any referral URL on one laptop, or one phone, or one anything, that referral URL will not work again on that phone or system for the next 1 year. The reason is that we're trying to avoid spam. Somebody just sitting down somewhere and keeps registering new referrals. All right. So there we go. Another thing we can do, of course, is to have another cookie that says referral. Another cookie for referral category. I'll call it referral category ID. Call it ref user ID. Ref category ID. Alright, so same thing, it lasts for 1 year. So now we're now tracking the referrals. What we're going to do in the next video is to